And my elbow is still wetty. I love it.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good morning, good morning. Hello and how are you? Hey, good morning. I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Good morning, good morning. Hello and how are you? Hey, good morning. I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Good morning. I clap my hands in the morning. I do my hands in the morning. I tell Corbin, thanks to him, have a wonderful day. Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Hey, good morning. I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Hey, good morning. I say good morning. Hello and how are you? In the morning, I shut my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout hooray. This is a week, a wonderful day. Good morning, good morning. Hello and how are you? Hey, good morning. I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Hey, good morning. I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Hello and how are you? Hello and how are you?
Good morning, Miss Lina.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, Miss Lily.
All right, today you know that our weather is, we talk about in the morning meeting. You see, Mr. Sun is called sunny. Matthew, sunny. And who remember, yesterday we play a game. Who remember our game? We sorting the what? Let me go over. Yes, so this is the, what's that?
Solid.
Solid, good. Liquid. This is a gas, right? The solid, we touch and we place it in here. The ice cube, the spot, the blocks, everything, pencil is solid. Because when you touch it, it's very what?
Hard.
It's very hard, good job. And the liquid, when we hear, shake it, is it you hear the sound? Yes. And then when we put it inside another cup, it changes the shape too. Right? From this cup, circle, to a square cup. And how about gas? When you spray it out, can you see it?
No.
No, you cannot see it. Good job. You cannot see it. But can you smell it? Sometimes you can smell it. So we have hot air balloon, right? When you blow up the ball, the balloon, that is the air. When you breathe in, let's breathe in. Can you breathe in the gas? That is the air too, right? So we talk about these 3 stages of matter. Today I'm going to play a game. Okay, my friend, you need to use your and looking eyes. When I give you the material, you just hold it. You are not going to play with that, okay? Pass the cup. Everyone have 1 cup. Go. Pass 1 cup. Go. Sofía, get 1 cup.
Pásale más, Sofía. Pasa todos. No,
Yeah.
coge tú uno y
Give
pasa el
everyone 1
resto.
cup.
Ujú.
Thank
Uno, el otro.
And then you're holding the cup.
Sigue, sigue. More. More, Sophie, more. More, Sophie. More. More. Pásalo, pásalo. Jonathan, pásalo. No. Next. Next a Jimena.
And then you
Tommy.
put the cup in front of you. Put it on in front of you. Just like Emmanuel, good. You put the cup here. Okay, this cup is for you to,
Water.
yeah, today we are not drinking, but we are using that. It's not for us to pray, okay? My friend Anna and Jonathan. And I have my own cup too. Okay, everyone put it in the front of you.
Póngalo en el piso, guys, en el suelo.
And I'm going to pass the cotton ball for you. You hold the cotton ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jenna, go get it. Isabel, Anna, Jonathan, Romana. First, we touch the cotton ball. Okay, right now you can touch. What do you feel?
Soft.
Very soft, right? And then, is it very hard? No. Cotton ball is very soft. Just pretend that the cotton ball is a cloud. Okay? Is it look like a cloud? Yes. So the cloud is like that. And I'm going to give you some water, okay? You hold that. Okay, let me pick what color. What color do you want to use today?
Green.
Green? Ah, yeah.
I want green.
You want it green? Okay.
I
We
got
got it.
blue.
Do you know what is that? The food coloring. This one sometime when you're making the food, when you're making the cupcake, you will use the food coloring.
Oh.
This one you can eat, but the paint that we're using, that paint we cannot eat. Okay, let me.
Pink. I have pink.
You want blue too? Okay.
I
Let me
want
get all the
blue
blue.
too.
Okay, only two colors, my friend. Green and blue.
Green. Blue.
Okay, can you see that?
Blue.
What color do you want? I don't want pink. Either blue. We are not touching the cup.
I
Green.
want green. I want green.
My friend, do you remember when I am going to get your turn? You tell me. Blue. Dylan, what color?
Blue.
Blue.
Cindy,
Blue.
blue. Okay, hold it. Put it on the floor. If you move it, not drinking.
Blue.
Okay. Be remember, you are a big boy. Green. Okay, the cup is on the floor. If you move it, it will drop. And what happens if you drop the cup?
You got no come.
Which what color?
Then I will get with the carpet.
Yeah, it will wet the carpet. And then what happened to the carpet?
Then I will get wet.
Anna, what color? Green. Jonathan, how about you? Green? Okay, put the cup on the floor. On the floor. Thank you.
That's my looking.
Okay, thank you for my friend. Keeping your hands out. We are only touching the cotton ball. What? Green? Okay. How about you, Tommy?
Green.
Green too?
Yes.
Okay, right now we are going to play a game. Are you ready?
Yes.
Miss Lily want both colors. Let me see one color.
Va a mezclar los dos colores, mi Lily.
It's turning to dark green, okay? This is your cotton ball. Right now it's very soft. Okay, be careful. You need to use one hand holding the cup.
Slowing,
And
despacio.
dip the cotton ball inside. And coming out. Just like that.
Blue.
It turn blue. But get it out like that. Do you see dripping? The cloud?
And you blue?
Right now turn to what?
Blue.
Turn to the color. Beside the color, do you think the cotton ball right now you touch it? Is it very heavy? When you dip to the water, it's heavy. And how do you feel? Is it cold? Yes. So this one's inside the cloud. Look at the cloud. When the cloud getting too many water, what happened?
It's going cold.
It's turning cold. But do you see something coming down?
Water.
So the water coming down just like the what? Just like the rain. When the cloud getting too heavy, the water is on the cloud, right? After the evaporation. And they are dripping down the rain. Look at my picture.
Look what I made.
Who remember our water cycle? Because you squeeze the water out. Okay, let's see what happens.
Aprieten el,
If all the rain coming
algodón.
out,
Apriételo así. Hazle
the
duro con los
cloud is
dedos.
dry, right? It turned to dry anymore. It turned dry back then in normal. When you dip in the water, oh, there's so many, and you need to drip it out, just like the rain. Okay, look at my picture. Who remember yesterday the water cycle?
Sun.
You can see the sun, right?
The sun melts the water.
Good job. My water cycle. Let's see.
It's raining.
When the cloud getting too heavy,
Raining.
it's raining down. And then the water going to the mountain, go back to the what?
The water.
Go back to the sea, the water. And when the sun shining on the water going what?
Up in the cloud.
Up in the cloud, good job. When the cloud just like this one, the cotton ball, too heavy, what happened?
La niña salió blue.
What happened when the,
¿Qué está haciendo
when the
el
cotton
agua?
ball, when the cloud getting too many water? It's going to rain, going down to rain. So rain is coming down from the cloud. If the cloud have too heavy, they get the water up because of the sun. So this is called what? Water cycle. One more time.
Water cycle.
So right now, one more time. You can feel the cotton ball.
El
It's
ciclo
dripping
del
the
agua.
water. Ooh. When it get dry, and then the water evaporate back to the cloud, dipping the water, and the water is coming out. Who like the water cycle? Who like to play the rain like that? Thank you. So my friend, yes, you're dripping all the water, Dylan, okay? So my friend, today we learn about the water cycle. The cloud getting too heavy, just like your cotton ball. The rain is coming down. And when it gets dry, the water, the sun shines to the water and it evaporate up to the cloud. And then rain coming down. This is called water cycle, right? All right, my friend, thank you. Let me clean up first. Thank you, Matthew. Set the drink.
Guys, pongan las copitas en la
We're going to
bandeja.
pray with the watercoloring later.
Dylan, el algodón
Okay.
también, amigo, por favor.
Good job, Cindy.
Está muy.
I like the cloud. I like the food coloring. I like raining. So what happened? Normal temperature is going to rain. But how about what happens if it clouds? If the weather getting cold?
It turns snow.
It's snow. It's coming snow. And we learn about when the weather is getting cold. Sometimes it's low. Sometimes it's freezing rain. Sometimes it's rain. Sometimes it's what? Sometimes it's how it's coming down. All right. It's out. Thank you. Anna. Thank you, Jonathan.
Dejen el algodón dentro del vasito, guys. Dentro del vasito. Dejen el algodón. Jimena, ponle la bandeja, por favor, amiga. Tommy también.
Thank you, Jimena.
This it got wet.
Just put it inside. Yes, it got wet, right? What happened to rock if it got wet? Next week we're going to talk about that, okay? So my friend, you did a good job. I'm so happy, okay? So right now after the morning meeting,